Hello everyone. Today we are doing rain gauze experiment.
The ingredients required for making rain gauze are plastic bowl with holes, cotton, pebbles or rocks, scissor, one plate, marker and a green color craft paper. We should make small holes to this plastic cup and place cotton above it so that it acts as a cloud. Take blue color craft paper or chart paper and fix some cotton to the paper using Fevicol so that it acts as a sky with clouds. Take one water bottle about 2 liters and cut upper part of it so that it acts as a funnel. To record the readings, take a scale and fix it to a craft paper to look more clearly. Now fix the scale to the bottle. As the bottom is not even, make it even by placing some pebbles or rocks at the bottom of the bottle. And pour some water up to the mark. To get the clear recording, make water colorful by using some watercolors like blue and place the rain gauze under the cloud. Now our rain gauze is ready to use. You can place this rain gauge in your locality to measure the amount of rain in your area. It is also called as odometer